It's Chloe, it's Chloe, it's Chloe, hey Chloe, Chloe the Jumbo Jet. It's Chloe, it's Chloe, it's Chloe, hi Chloe, Chloe the Jumbo Jet. She goes from place to place, she goes from here to there, she goes around the world, she goes everywhere. It's Chloe, it's Chloe, it's Chloe, hi Chloe, Chloe the Jumbo Jet.
Hi, I'm Chloe the Jumbo Jet. Join me and my international friends from all over the world as we go on lots of fun journeys and exciting adventures. Just think of all the fun places we can go. London, Paris, Egypt, Rome, New York City. You name it, we can go there. Me and my friends at Wheels Up International Airport will take you on lots of fun missions to make the world around us a better place. We'll help you learn new languages and explore new cultures so that you can learn about awesome new foods, fun dances, and cool places to visit. So, what are you waiting for? Now boarding! Up, up, and away!
Visit www.chloethejumbojet.com to learn more about Chloe the Jumbo Jet. Also, be sure to pick up a copy of Chloe the Jumbo Jet, A Problem of Olympic Proportions, the latest release in the exciting children's picture book series from the Chloe the Jumbo Jet franchise, now available at Amazon.com or BarnesandNoble.com.